Welcome my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. Today a new lesson is going to be taught. The name of this lesson, as I mentioned in the board, please look at it. Chapter Unit 4, topic Olympic Games, word puzzle. Now here there are some questions written in the board, please look at it. First question, what is the another name for table tennis? Second question, long distance running event. Long distance running event inspired by the legend of Pheidippides. And next question serial number 3, the highest award in the Olympic Games. Serial number 4, a football game lasts for how many minutes? Serial number 5, people who compete in the Olympic Games. 6, where were the first modern Olympics played? Which city was the second modern Olympic held? The city was the second modern Olympic held. How many interlocking rings are in the Olympic flag? So these are the questions which I have mentioned in the board. Please solve it. Now how will you solve? I shall help you to solve the answers of these questions. And what will you do? You will simply take it down in your copies and learn it properly. Whenever I shall ask it, whenever I ask the questions, you have to answer me. First, mention in the board, please look at it. The first question, I am telling you, what is the another name for table tennis? The another name for table tennis is ping pong. P-I-N-G-P-O-N-G, ping pong. The another name of table tennis is ping pong. And second one, long distance running event inspired by the legend of Pheidippides. What is the name of it? Long distance running event inspired by the legend Pheidippides. The name of this, long distance running event is marathon. M-A-R-A-T-H-A-N, marathon. M-A-R-A-T-H-A-N, marathon. And then next one, M-A-R-A-T-H-O-N, marathon. And the next one, serial number 3, the highest award in the Olympic Games. The highest award in the Olympic Games. The highest award in the Olympic Games given is gold medal. G-O-L-D, gold, M-E-D-A-L, medal, gold medal. And next one, a football game lasts for how many minutes? A football game lasts for 90 minutes. A football game lasts for 90 minutes. You have to write 90 minutes, 90 minutes. And next one, people who compete in the Olympic Games. People who compete in the Olympic Games. People who compete in the Olympic Games. People who compete in the Olympic Games, they are known as athletes. People who compete in the Olympic Games, they are known as athletes. And next one, where were the first modern Olympics played? Where were the first modern Olympics held in? The modern Olympics was held in Paris. The modern Olympics were held in Paris, the capital of France. And next one, which city was the beyond modern Olympics held? First one, where was the first modern Olympics held? Where were the first modern Olympic held? That was Athens. Where were the first modern Olympic held? That was Athens. In Athens, the modern Olympics were held in Athens. And second one, which city was the second modern Olympics held? Which city was the second modern Olympics held in? The second modern Olympics held in France, and in the capital of France means Paris. Okay, the second Olympics held in the capital of France, Paris. And next one, how many interlocking rings are there in the Olympic flag? There are 5 Olympic rings in the Olympic flag. There are 5 interlocking rings in the Olympic flag. And next one, it is not mentioned. Simply I am telling you orally, and you take down the answers in your copies. I am discussing the questions orally, and then you simply take it down the answers in your copies. First question: a sport in which Tiger Woods is champion. Can you name the sport in which Tiger Woods became champion? The name of this sport is golf. In golf is the name of a sport. Tiger Woods became champion. And next one, a racket sport. A racket sport popular in China. What is the name of this racket sport? Popular in China. The name of this racket sport is badminton. It is popular in China. And next one, the 5 rings on the Olympics represents 5. Why are 5 rings in the Olympics flags? What is the inner meaning of the 5 rings, interlocking rings, which are kept in the Olympic flags? What is the inner meaning of it? The inner meaning is there are 5 continents. 5 rings on the Olympics represent 5 continents. And next one, the Olympic Games are held after every how many years? After every 4 years, the Olympic Games are held. Modern Olympic Games have been played in which year? In which year the modern Olympic, from which year or since from which year the modern Olympic have been played? The modern Olympics have been played since 1896. And next one, what sport is David Beckham famous for? David Beckham is famous for football because he was a great footballer of which country? He was a great footballer of England, David Beckham. By playing football, he became famous. He was a great footballer of England. And in the world history, David Beckham's name is written as a great footballer. So David Beckham famous for which game? For football. And the Olympic motto is swifter, higher and dash. What you will write in the dash? The Olympic motto is swifter, higher and stronger. Swifter, higher and stronger. Okay, swifter, higher and stronger. And next one, there is the winter and dash Olympics. There is the winter and dash Olympics. How many Olympics are there? There are 2 Olympics. One Olympic is held during winter and another Olympics are held during summer. One Olympics are held during winter and another Olympics are held during summer. And next one, what is the, can you name one event of the Winter Olympic? Yes, I can name. one event of Winter Olympics name is sky jumping. One event of the Winter Olympics name is sky jumping. Sky jumping. So these are the questions and its answers. Once again, I repeat from the beginning for your convenience, so that you can compare it, so that you can compare with my answers I mentioned to your answer you have written in your classwork copies. First one, another name of table tennis, that is ping pong. Second one, long distance running event inspired by the legend of Days, that is marathon. The highest award in the Olympic Games, that is gold medal. And a football game lasts for how many minutes? For 90 minutes. People who compete in the Olympic Games, they are known as athletes. People who compete in the Olympic Games, they are known as athletes. Where were the first modern Olympics played? Athens. And which city was the second modern Olympics held in? Paris. How many interlocking rings are in the Olympic flag? There are 5 interlocking rings in the modern Olympics flag. Olympic flag. And what do you light at the Olympics and carry around? Torch. What do you light at the Olympics and carry around? That is torch. A sport in which Tiger Woods is champion, that is golf. A racket sport popular in China, that is badminton. The 5 rings on the Olympics represent 5 continents. And the Olympic Games are held every 4 years. And modern Olympic Games have been played since 1896. What sport is David Beckham famous for? David Beckham is famous for football. The Olympic motto is swifter, higher and stronger. There is the Winter and Summer Olympics. Sky jumping is an event in Winter Olympics. Sky jumping is an event in Winter Olympics. So these are the questions, my dear students, you have to learn. I shall give you questions, you have to write one-line answer. I shall give you questions and you will have to write one-line answer, only one-line answer. Okay? But in this chapter it is written like this way. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of clues given. This type of question I shall not give you because it is very hard to draw this kind of things, since your exam is being held through online system. So it is time consuming and it is very hard to choose puzzle words. That's why it is better I shall give you questions. I shall give you questions and you will write answer, only one line answer. In the form of in optional questions I may give, or in subject I can give you through optional questions. There will be 3 or 4 options. You have to choose only one option. It is better for you. It is better to answer as quick as possible. My dear students, GK is not so easy, hard subject. It is very easy subject, but this time students of GK they have done well. Even students, those who were weak, could not answer my question during live classes, they also have scored good marks. That's why, my dear students, I am telling you, you learn properly in your houses. And if you have any doubt, any confusion, any clarification you require, you need, you let me know. I shall clarify it. I shall help you as far as possible so that you can keep it, the answers in your mind in a easiest form, and can score good marks and can score good grades. Thank you. Happiness.